Hey Louisa, can you play us a song? Do, 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 do. Do, do. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Do, do, do. If you're happy and you know it, do, 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 do. Yeah, did you find that again? Are your teeth hurting, you little one? You don't normally have those things in your mouth anymore. Hey, where's Teddy? There's Teddy, yeah. You gonna get him? What is that? You want some water? Okay, a little drink or something. Boing. What about Teddy? I know that's the spin cycle on the machine. Hey, mamas, do you want to play some music? Or should take the thing out of your mouth and really talk properly. You gonna play a little music or are we finished? Good grab. Nice. Nice. So, all finished on the songs, and what about poor Teddy? Should we get Teddy off the ground? Wow, that's serious. You're seriously committed to putting that in your mouth. Let me unplug the lights, which is going to draw a lot of attention to where I put the camera, which means someone's going to come and get it, I think. Very possible. You know what, little munchkin? I was just only going to go and get your water. Wait, go sit. You're going to sit on your chair? That's okay. Just step backwards, you gotta hold on. There you go. Be right back, little one. I'm just gonna get you a little bit of water.
Papa.
Bye-bye, honey. I'm only gonna go get you water right here. Hey, good, my love. nice shot of it. Go up your head. Alright, little one, can you say bye-bye? Louisa, what's this new spitting the water out game? Okay, you're all finished. Put it down, please. Right. A lot will happen, you know, you're playing around with the water. This isn't just a drink. Not for spitting games. Silly one. Right there for you. You want some more. Okay, do you want to sit on your chair and play your game? Okay, Pumpkin, can you say bye-bye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Can you say Louisa? Can you say Louisa? Huh? Louisa? Mamas? Can you say Louisa?
Dada.
Can you say Louisa? Ah. Louisa. Okay, bye-bye folks.